Hey guys, just wanted to show you what I'm up to today, and I have my motorbike battery. Now I already started without you guys, but anyway, motorbike was left to sit for about a month or so, and come back to it, and the battery is completely dead, like as in 2 volts or something. Really dead. And so I've just been sort of working on trying to get it to recover, and I couldn't really get anything out of it. So I've opened all the top, so you can see there is a port. So all these are actually so you got 6 cells, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across the top. About in the middle of the battery, you've got a little port that goes down actually into the cell. So what I've done, since I cut this one open to actually work out what's happening. So with each of these, I just drilled a 10mm hole in the top, which I get a funnel in and put some water in them, in each of the cells. Now with this battery, all this top cover, there's actually holes in between each one, so you can actually move the water back and forth. But you have to be careful of the water tension, and that it doesn't always want to flow in the holes. So I actually had the battery sitting up like this for most of the day. So I started this in the morning. So basically what I've got well, starters, this is my DC panel. Well, one of them. I've got another one up there and another box up there. So there's all my breakers, and this is my little DC panel. So I run my 12 volts DC off there. So I've got some solar panels on the roof, and the batteries that are actually in my part of video, but I've got another bank up here. So, and that's what I use as my batteries. So I've been keeping this, I've been trying to keep it about 1/2 amp. So I've got a tiny little boost converter, boost converter, so I can boost the voltage up from 12 volts. Just turn him down to about 1/2 amp. That's where I sort of want to keep it. So current meter 0.6, 0.49, about 1/2 amp. And so basically all it is a cheap converter off eBay. It's got a 1.2 ohm resistor on the positive side. Basically that just limits the current into anything that I'm using. So it just limits it to a slightly lower than short circuit current if anything nasty should happen. So that goes off. I've got a meter on the battery, so that's the actual battery voltage. So 13.24. Yes, the probes are just the wrong way, so that's okay. So, but this started off being 18-19 volts or so this morning. So I mean, it has been running for hours and hours and hours. So what? So it's about 4 o'clock now. So about 6 hours this has been running. The battery is above ambient. The battery, these few cells in the middle are a bit warmer than the ones on the ends. So about 24 degrees centigrade. So not Fahrenheit. And the same again, these end ones. Ambient is about 16. So yes, it is warmer, because basically these cells in the middle must be dissipating that energy, and whereas these ones on the ends are either remaining cooler because they've got more surface area to dissipate the heat, or they're actually not fully charged. So either way, this is really slow. It's slowly gassing. So hopefully really helping the battery, and hopefully I can get this battery going again, which would be nice. so it saves me $100 on a new battery. The model number on the battery is YTZ10S. It's a US battery, so yeah, quite a good battery. I've had it for 5-6 years now. I have done a little bit of work to it before already, but just because it just didn't have the capacity, you leave it for a couple of days and it won't start. So I did a bit of work to it, cycled it a little bit, charged it right up, gave a good charge, and it's been good for another year or so. But now it's, yeah, really starting to be a bit funny on me. So this current's just going to keep creeping up. So I just come back in every half hour or hour or something, and then I just tweak the actual output voltage down, because this is a constant voltage power supply, and then I just sort of keep it around there, keep it around 0.5 amp. So now we're at 13.16 volts. So on that sort of battery, that's I mean, 13.16 is perfect. It would be happy to sit at that sort of voltage all year, and it'll be fine. So yeah, hopefully I can sort of keep progressing with this. Hopefully this current keeps going down. I had this battery, I left it overnight charging at, it was sitting at 14.7 volts overnight, and came out in the morning and it was still as dead as doornail. So hopefully this will get a better results. So just decided to keep you updated on what I'm doing. Alright, cheers for now, guys.